Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to Jay Luther TV. Back at you guys with another reaction. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to Jay Luther TV, and I'm back at you guys with another reaction. Now we'll be reacting to Slayer, Raining Blood. I'm scared. I'm scared. Raining Blood, and then hold up, man. I don't know. I don't know. Let me see the thumbnail. What is that? Is that like the? Is it making like a star? Is it making like the Pentagon? It is. The swords are. You know what? Let's go. I don't care. Let's go. Back. Okay, I heard right. He said trapped in purgatory. I thought I heard it. I'm like, did he say trapped in purgatory? He's trapped in purgatory. Oh Lord, what kind of song is this? What did you guys get me into? What did you guys get me into? He said trapped in purgatory. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, let's finish this.
Awaiting reprisal. Death will be their quittance. Sky is turning red. Return to power, so near. Fall to me, the sky's dipped in tears. Abolish the rules they stole. Here from below, souls of my treacherous past.
Oh, okay. The rain sounds because it's raining blood. I'm having mixed feelings. When I say I'm having mixed feelings, I mean I love it. I'm scared. I don't like it. I don't like the feeling. This makes you want to just eat cereal with no milk. Your curfew is supposed to be 8 o'clock, but you come in at 8:01. This is a headbanger. Just makes you want to go run through a wall. I don't like that feeling. I'm sitting here reading the lyrics, and it says, trapped in purgatory. A lifeless object, alive, awaiting reprisal. Reprisal. That's like you're waiting to attack. And that's what that means. It's like you waiting to retaliate. So if you're trapped in purgatory, aka hell, and you're waiting, oh, this is like you're trying to, like you want to overthrow heaven, basically. Oh man, what did you guys get me into? Oh my God, what did you guys get me into? And then at the end, you have the raining blood, the raining sound. Oh man, I don't know. This is mixed emotions on this song, but I do want to get a guitar and just like smash something out. But all in all, man, I enjoyed this, man. If you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's continue to grow. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Love you guys.